Hi, welcome to Easy Shell Cloud. Previously, we discussed some of the copy commands with some of the flags. Now, in this video, today we are going to discuss some more flags with the copy command. Okay, let's see. I have given the ll command and I got a list of files and directories. Okay, now I am going to explain about -u flag. So when to use the -u flag? If you want to copy when the source file is the newer than the destination file, then only it will copy. So in that condition we can use the -u flag. Let's check. So I'm creating a new file with name file1. I'm adding something, echo I'm appending this to file1. I'm giving cat file1. Let's check. So the word which we have given, it has got appended to that file. Now I am giving the copy -u and I am giving the f1 file as a source file. Now I am giving the file1 file as a destination file. I am executing this. Let's see what will happen. I am giving cat file1, sorry, cat file1. See, it has not copied anything because see, just I'm giving cat command, I'm executing f1. See, there are 3 lines in the f1 file, but there is only one line whatever we have added previously in the file1. So only hello is there in the file1, so it was not copied. Okay, why? Because I'll show you that. See, when file f1 has created, it is on August 14 and 16, but when file1 has created, it is on August 15th. So file1 is the newer file, newer than this f1 file. That's why it won't copy. So see, we have given the f1 file as a source file and destination file is file1. So it is file1 is the newer file, so it won't copy, because if we have given the -u flag, right? So source file always should be a newer file. Okay, that is the condition. Now we will see this. I am giving cp command, cp -u flag, and I am giving the newest file. It is the file1. I am giving any of the older file. I am giving f1 file. Now it copies. Yes, it is asking the prompt whether you want to overwrite f1 file. I am giving yes. Let's see what is there in f1. See, it has overwritten. So whatever the data available in file1, it has overwritten into f1 file. Now we are going to discuss about -r. When to use the -r flag? If you want to copy recursively whatever the data, whatever the files and directories available in a particular directory, if you want to copy everything into some other directory, recursively. In that point of time only we have to use -r flag. Let's see that practically. Oh, yeah, for suppose I have two directories and one file. Okay, let's check what is available in the directory 1. cd dir1. I'm entering into the directory, giving ll. I have two files in directory dir1 directory. Okay, I'm giving cd dot dot, coming back, and I am changing directory to the dir2. See, I don't have any files in the directory dir2 directory. Okay, coming back. If I want to copy whatever the files are available in directory 1 to directory 2 recursively at a time, if I want to copy whatever the files and directories available in this directory 1 to directory 2, copy recursively dir1 dir2. See, command got executed. Now I am entering into directory 2. Let's check. Right now we are in directory 2 dir2. I'm giving ll. See, enter that directory, got copied into directory 2. I'm giving dir1, giving ll. See, all the files in the directory also copied. Okay. Yeah. First, suppose if I want to copy only files available in that directory 1 to the directory 2, how we can do that? How we can achieve that? Previously we executed this command, so along with this directory we copied enter this directory into the directory 2. So I don't want that. I want only to copy only the files available in directory 1 to directory 2. How we can do that? For that, back to the parent directory, we'll copy. See, I am giving -r flag. I am selecting the directory dir1, and we have to give star. Star means it is a wildcard in this Linux. So whatever the we have, it will select everything in this directory. Okay, whatever the files or directories are available in this directory 1, it will select everything, and we are moving that to the directory 3. Let's see. Giving the long list. See, whatever the files are available in directory 1, entire files got copied into directory 3. Okay, we can go with the -p flag. So where to use -p flag? To preserve file attributes like mode, ownership and timestamp. So if you want to preserve the timestamp and read write, mode means read write executive permissions of that file, and also timestamp and also ownership of that file. If you want to preserve these three attributes, so then we can go with the -p flag. I will show you that. For suppose, see, now I am copying the f1 file to f2. See, previously we don't have f2 file here. I'm copying this giving ll. Okay, see, uh, these are the mode, means these are the things, these are the executive permissions, these are the permissions, read, write and executive permissions, and these are the owner, and this is the group, and this is the hard link files, and this is the date time. Okay, and this is the file name. So if you can check here, file f1 has created at 10:49 and file f2 got created at 11:10. So it is not preserving the timestamp, so timestamp has changed. If you want to preserve this timestamp and read, write, execute permissions and owner of the file, if you want to preserve all these attributes, if you got that cases, then we can choose the cp -p f1 file and I am giving f3. Now see, now you can check it. What are the f1, this is the f1 file and this is the f3 file. See, now you can check it here, the timestamp also, it preserved the timestamp also. Okay, same time, and it preserved the executive, all these mode permissions and also your ownership also, it will preserve everything. Okay, so when to use these kind of flag in a real-time scenario. So when to use, when creating the backup of files or directories and you want to ensure that all the files and attributes are preserved, then we can go with the -p flag. And also file transfer between the systems, from one system to, if you want to copy any of the file from one system to one machine to other machine, though, then these executive permissions will change. So if you want to preserve that, then also then we can use -p flag. Okay, in that cases, we can use, if you want to preserve all the attributes, then we can go with the -p flag. Okay, yeah, now we have one more flag, it is -n flag for the copy command. So when to use -n flag, it is like, if you have if you have a file you want to copy, the same file is available in other directory. If you want to copy the current file into that directory, the two files are same, it do not overwrite an existing file. Let's see that. Suppose I'm entering into directory 1, giving ll. I have two files, I'm giving what is there inside, nothing is there. So I'm entering some data into that. I'm entering that and I'm executing. So now check f1. So some data is available, right? Okay, back to, now I am entering into the directory, third directory. I'm executing cat f1. See, nothing is available in f1 file, right? So cd. So there is a file f1 available in directory 1. If you want to copy dir1 f1 file into the dir3 f1 file, want to overwrite that, if you give copy -n /dir dir1 slash what is there, which file you want to copy, 1 to dir c slash f1. See, got executed, but let's check in that directory 3. Now I am giving cat f1 file. See, it's not showing anything. Actually that command got executed, but it was not showing anything. Why? Because by using -n flag, because these files are same, right? File naming is same, right? So with that same file naming, it won't overwrite anything. If you give -n flag, the files are same, it won't overwrite. Okay, for that purpose we can use the -n flag. Okay, yeah. And also we have -s flag. It is not required right now. In the upcoming videos I will explain about hard link and soft link. There we can able to understand what is it hard link and what is it soft link. So it's right now it's not required. And you should know this, it's like so using cp-a flag, it's almost all equivalent to using cp-r and cp-p. The cp-a flag is almost all equivalent to both of them. It will copy recursively from one directory to another directory, and also it will preserve those it will preserve those permissions as well, right? Like read, write, execute permissions, and also ownership permissions, and also timestamp. By using cp-a flag, it will copy recursively, as well as it will preserve all the attributes. So it is equivalent, cp-a is equivalent to cp-r and cp-p. Okay.